We talk about Tales's verse. Then we did that song. Then now they said there was a show talent at school, but they didn't put us on. But they were showcasing us.
For yourself.
Yeah, but now, but that time they said, yo, show the other grade 7s how they must create. You know.
Whoa, I'm Franken. I'll never be gone, I'll always be there for you. In today's video, I have a guest right on my side. Let him introduce himself and let us know what he got for us. Hey, yo, my boy, what's up, man? You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Who you are, man? Can you introduce yourself to the audience?
Yeah, I'm LiPzDaCuB, my nigga. I come from Cold City.
Yeah.
TP2, that's all.
Yeah. You come from the Cold City. My man, the reason why you are here is I want to know, what do you do? Like in your field, which field are you in, man?
Which field am I in?
Yeah.
Business, dog, making my niggas money. All of my niggas out here don't have opportunities, you know what I'm saying? Some of them are even going to school, but not no jobs, not no nothing, not no opportunities offered to all of my niggas. You know what I'm saying? And they think they kind of think we rich, but that's all, though. We're just getting it ourselves. No matter what, but I'm a rapper.
You're a rapper?
Yeah, but I'm a rapper.
Okay. My brother right here, he's a rapper. My man, I want to know what influenced you to become a rapper today?
So in grade 9, nigga, they made us, like, it's grade 6, it's grade 6. At Arts and Culture, we had to do a project at school about music, like create something, like anything that's artist. Then me and my niggas, we talk about Tales's verse. Then we did that song. Then now they said there was a show talent at school, but they didn't put us on. But they were showcasing us.
For yourself.
Yeah, but now, but that time they said, yo, show the other grade 7s how they must create. You know what I'm saying? Now we went to each and every class and did that, but still they cut us out. And this is why I do it.
I get you, man. They once cut him out, which means sometimes you should not allow to fail. Some people will become an obstacle, but you should step up. Let me check. What are the tracks that you once dropped, or the previous work, or the tracks that are coming forward on the way?
Well, right now I got my first, distribution shit that I paid for, that we're getting 100% royalties, everything on iTunes. You can get it on 7th of February, you know what I'm saying? Sorry, I had to drop something on 13, I ain't gonna say a lot, but they told me that I'm gonna get arrested and some shit like that, so I pushed it back, but I'm gonna drop it one day, but I hope you remember this.
Yeah, my man, it's really a courage for you to be here. I appreciate. What message can you share to somebody who wants to start being a rapper today?
Yo, you see that gun shit?
Yeah,
real niggas gonna test you. You know what I'm saying? You don't rap something you ain't. That's all.
Don't rap something that you're not. Don't talk about something that you're not. I appreciate for you today. We are here at the event. We have the squad right here. Everybody, it's dope. It's nice. So thank you for your work. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and be notified whenever we drop a video. I don't know when if he's down. This guy who's performing right here, his name is LiPzDaCuB. LiPzDaCuB, I'll make sure you all get his name. Right here, he was performing at Pop Range Car Wash with Bank downtown Emalahleni with numerous artists like Lilow NTK. Hello guys, thank you for watching the video until the end. I appreciate your love. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and be notified, and also follow the collaborator. We are all supporting each other going forward. Thank you for the work that you all doing, subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing. I'll also make sure that I drop more fire content that inspires and uplift people around communities. Thank you for your love. I love you all.